Wealth manager or asset manager? Who should you hire? Anyone who earns a decent salary but isn't a financial expert should learn how to manage their income. If you don't handle your money properly, all your hard work during your career will not result in the happy retirement you'd hope for when you hit the retirement age. Working with a financial planner to handle your money and savings can mean the difference between a mediocre and a spectacular retirement. You'll also want to enlist the support of others to ensure that you fulfill your financial objectives. The types of professionals you're likely to employ all come under the umbrella term financial advisor. What is asset management and how does it work? Asset management is just what it sounds like. It's the process of managing your money. All of your financial properties are considered collateral, but wealth management focuses on your savings. This includes stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and other investments you make to try and increase your wealth and save for the future. An asset manager can analyze your financial condition to decide which investments are best for you. This means they'll assist you with matters such as asset allocation or determining how to divide your investable assets among various asset groups. This involves deciding how much of your portfolio should be made up of growth products, such as stocks, and how much should be made up of fixed income products, such as bonds. Asset managers normally get paid based on a percentage of the assets they control. The more assets an asset manager manages for an investor, the lower rates are likely to be. Asset management versus wealth management. What's the difference? Asset management is concerned with investments. Wealth management involves evaluating a person's or a family's overall financial position and taking action to optimize and protect their assets. This can take a variety of forms and cover a wide range of resources. A wealth manager can provide the following services: creating a tax strategy, planning for college, planning for the future, creating an estate plan, giving to charity, preparing for retirement. Although asset management focuses on increasing an investor's assets, wealth management takes a more holistic approach to a client's overall financial position and takes steps to protect their wealth over time. Where will I find wealth and asset management? A wealth manager or asset manager can be used in a variety of ways. Getting advice from a family member or a friend is a tried and true process. This form of advice has its benefits, but bear in mind that just because a wealth manager or fund manager is a good match for one person doesn't mean they'll be the right fit for another. Many people, for example, inherit a manager from their parents, but this may not be the right manager for their situation. Your parents are, by definition, in a different stage of life than you. Look for a financial planner who specializes in supporting people in similar circumstances to yourself. The choice between asset management and wealth management comes down to what your priorities are and what services you need. An asset manager is the best option if you just need assistance with investing. An asset manager will assist you in assessing the best investment options for your portfolio while you handle the rest of your finances. You'll need to find a wealth manager if you want someone to help you set up your investments more holistically. Wealth managers may assist with a variety of issues, including college preparation and estate planning. There's a fair chance you'll need both types of services, and many financial advisor firms provide both. You would have to pay different fees for both facilities, however. Other companies may charge a one-time wrap fee that covers both services. Final thoughts. Asset management versus wealth management is a matter of what services you need. Asset management refers to the method of selecting and handling investments. Wealth management, on the other hand, explores a person's financial life and portfolio in greater detail. Some financial advisors will help you with both, allowing you to employ only one person. Every year, millions of Americans ask themselves this question. If you identify with any of the following, you can benefit from professional financial advice. You're about to retire. Making the most of your retirement income necessitates making educated choices about issues like Social Security, 401k, and IRA withdrawals. Number 2, you handle your own assets. Individual investors should consult with independent third parties on their plans. It's likely that you're losing out on opportunities in your portfolio. Number 3, you have a family. There are many ways to make sure your children are taken care of, whether you're saving for college or preparing their inheritance. Number 4, you inherited wealth. Have you ever noticed how many lottery winners file for bankruptcy? Sudden wealth gains can be difficult to handle. Number 5, you have a financial advisor. There could be a better one for you based on how you choose your advisor. Family referrals are easy, but they don't always work. Number 6, you're divorcing. It can be difficult to untangle assets after a divorce. The value of impartial guidance cannot be overstated. Number 7, you want to accumulate wealth. Even if you're decades away from retirement, smart investments now will add thousands to your savings account. It doesn't have to be complicated to find the best financial planner for your needs. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.